If you keep acting like a stubborn baby, you're not going to make any money in 2025. Stubborn baby. Yeah, you know those babies who say, I don't want to show my face on the camera. Or they say, I don't want to make videos. Well, my friend, if you are the second type baby, then I cannot help you. You can skip this video and watch another funny cat video that will entertain you and probably educate you something that I have no idea of. Your potential customers who are waiting to put their money into your pocket are watching videos. So if you say, I don't want to make videos, bye-bye. See you in another video. If you really want to make money, you must use videos in 2025. Whether you use AI, not AI, your face or other people's face, or even no face. Videos must be uploaded from your production house, from your computer, from your phone, from your office, from your home. All right, the second type of stubborn baby are who says, I do not want to show my face. That's okay. I got you covered. And that's the purpose of this video. Now, before we go completely faceless, let's address some of you who think that there should be some face on the video. I have a solution for you. This is my software. It's called Lucid Fluencer AI. Or you can simply go to moshbari.com/lucid and you will land on this website. It is an extremely affordable AI software that will solve face on the video problem. Let's have a look at it in 1 minute, then we will go back to faceless.
Look at this video from Tai Lopez. It's got over 156,000 views in just a few hours of uploading. Amazing, right? But here's the challenge. One of our team members, Rabbi, really wants to create videos like this, but there's a catch. He's shy on camera and doesn't want to show his face. Sound familiar? Well, let's see how Rabbi can make the exact same video without ever stepping in front of the camera. Here's how it works. First, we upload Rabbi's image as a reference. Then we grab Tai Lopez's video as our target content. All that's left to do is click submit. And boom, here it is.
When you see somebody you want to meet, be bold. Walk up to them and start a conversation.
Now somebody very special. You don't want to do that.
Same video, now with Rabbi's face. Now let's switch things up. What if we wanted Donald Trump's face on this video instead? Easy. Just upload Donald Trump's image, use the same target video, click submit, and boom, another flawless video, done in seconds.
No fear. The world is cruel to overly shy men.
That's Donald Lopez. Well, the purpose of this application is that you can take any video, and if you're not confident on the camera, then just make a video of yourself and put somebody else's photo on the video. In either case, this application can solve your problem. And the reason I am emphasizing on using this, because it gives you unlimited use for a one-time price. There is literally no other AI application can give you this. And on top of that, this is my application, so if you buy, then I'm gonna be rich. You want to buy it? Link is in the description. Go grab it right now. We cannot keep this price forever. Price of AI is super expensive. Go get this solution before the price rises. Now, while talking about buying and selling, you only make money when somebody buys something from you. So whether you make face videos or faceless videos, and whether you sell something or you don't sell something, your videos should entertain and educate the buyers. And here is a great example of how you do that. Ladies and gentlemen, I just found this YouTube channel that has 18,000 followers and get approximately 3,000 to way up to 30,000 views per videos. And they get anywhere from 2,600 views to up to 30,000 views per video. And if you look at the thumbnail and read the titles, without watching the videos, you can clearly say they only target buyers. Listen, coupon code is only used by buyer. This video got 2,600 views. Title is What is Kajabi? 2025 review. Kajabi is a paid application. AliExpress promo code. Temu promo code. Extended Shopify free trial. Although free trial, but Shopify is not free. Okay, you must be confused because from the thumbnail, these videos look like they're videos with face. But no, my friend.
Submagic AI, an AI tool that allows you to create high quality shorts with little to no effort. Simply drag in a video from your favorite content creator or paste in a link from a YouTube video.
That's it. That's how these videos are made. Screencast, image transition, and a voiceover. They all can be created using AI or even regular applications without AI. And these videos entertain and educate the buyers. But the problem is my viewers are mostly beginners. they don't have anything to sell. That's okay. There is a way to make money online with which you do not need your own product. You do not need your own website. You do not need to sell or ship. All you need to do is to entertain and educate the target audience who should be mostly buyers. And it is called affiliate marketing. Here is how it works. This video is about how to use Submagic. Submagic is a paid application. It helps you create videos. And if you click on this affiliate menu, it will take you to this page. Click on this Become an Affiliate button. When you get approval, collect your affiliate link. Okay, now where do I use my affiliate link? Do what they have done. After uploading your video on YouTube, put your affiliate link in the description. And to create more interest and to make sure your audience only buy from you, offer a special coupon code. When someone buys from you, you will earn 30% of monthly recurring revenue for life. This is amazing. Literally, it can replace your monthly salary. However, there is a tiny little problem. Most people will not sign up for yearly subscription. They will sign up for monthly subscription. And 30% of $29 or $59 or $89 is not a lot of money. So this affiliate marketing system makes you money without having your own product, your own website. You do not need to sell anything or ship anything. You don't need to provide customer support. And you will earn 30% of sales like a damn partner. But it's not going to be a lot of money. 30% of $59 is less than $20 commission. In order to make $100, you need 5 sales. That's why when you promote low price products, you will find hard time quitting your job or replace your day job with this online business model. And that's why we recommend high ticket affiliate marketing, where for every single sale, you will earn $500 commission. Like these beginner students who joined our program as a complete beginner. And for every single sale, they make $500, $450. Go to my Instagram profile and find these people if you want to. So how do we run high ticket affiliate marketing business? It's a totally different business model. And the best of the best part of our program that it's 99% done for you, which means we do all the technical work on your behalf. In order to learn in details about affiliate marketing from zero to end, more specifically high ticket affiliate marketing using completely free traffic. And most importantly, it's totally possible even if you don't want to make any video. Yeah, wink wink. Check the free training in the link in the description. And at the end of the training, and you can take an educated decision whether this program is the right fit for you or not. And if you have any question, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. Sounds good? The training is free. Go watch the training from the link in the description. And if you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and to learn more money-making techniques, watch these videos and watch this video. And we will see you on the next one.